Ready to break free from your Mint Mobile plan and avoid future charges? Let's walk through exactly how to permanently delete your account, step by step. First, head to the Mint Mobile website and log into your account. Ensure you have your login credentials handy while your username and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is typically found under your profile or account details section, often represented by a gear icon or a drop-down menu with your name. Now, look for an option to cancel your service or close your account. If you don't see one directly, you'll likely need to contact Mint Mobile customer support. Sometimes they hide the cancellation process to discourage you from leaving. Click on Contact Us or Help to find their customer support options. You'll usually have a choice of calling them or initiating a live chat. Explain clearly to the representative that you want to permanently close your account and discontinue service. Be prepared to provide your account details and answer any verification questions. They may have to confirm your identity. Importantly, ask for a confirmation email or reference number once the cancellation is processed. Also, double-check that auto-renew is disabled to prevent any future charges. Finally, resolve any outstanding balance on your account to avoid collection issues. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Mint Mobile account. Remember to keep records of your cancellation confirmation and any related communication for future reference. You're now Mint Mobile free.